Good morning, guys. Welcome to JMC Rides. I'm John, and today I don't know what the hell's going on with the Jeep, but something is definitely up. This morning I took it for a drive, made like a short drive. It's about 10-15 minutes, and I experienced for the first time on this Jeep a little bit of death wobble. So I stopped the Jeep, then I drove it around a little bit more, hit some more bumps, tried to hit higher speeds, and I couldn't get it to happen again. But that tells me something is definitely up. Now, one of the things that everybody was warning me once I went with the 37s on this kind of a build on this Jeep is that the ball joints will probably end up going out maybe somewhere around 15,000 miles. Hopefully that's not the case, because we both know that's probably not going to be a cheap fix. But regardless, I'm going to go ahead and bring the Jeep right now to Goonie's garage. Got my camera over here talking, hold on. So I'm gonna bring my Jeep right now to Goonie's garage in Holbrook, New York. They're gonna take a look at it, let me know what's up with the Jeep. And I'm kind of glad that I'm bringing the Jeep to them anyway, because I kind of wanted them to go through the Jeep, make sure everything's all good, have all my bolts torqued down, lubricate all the Zerk fittings and all that kind of stuff. Now in the past I was doing a lot of that stuff myself, but as you guys know, I had 2 knee surgeries and stuff like that, and since I had those surgeries done, I haven't been climbing underneath the Jeep to do that stuff anymore, especially after getting all those skid plates installed underneath the Jeep. So since it's going to go into the shop, I'll have them take care of that anyway, so we could get this Rubicon off-road ready again, and so we could start hitting those trails. Let's go. Every time I open the doors to this Jeep, man, look at these sexy red guts on this Rubicon. It does not get old. Well, maybe for you guys it does, not for me. Now the Rubicon was never meant to be my daily driver. That's why when I did this build, I went big. I went to the 37s and the big lift. And I know that a vehicle with this kind of a build, it requires more maintenance than like your average stock Jeep. But it's all part of the game. It's all part of the fun, guys. But these kind of things, to me, it's a small price to pay for the pleasure of owning a Jeep Rubicon like this, man. This thing is ridiculously fun. It's an awesome feeling to have, and to know that you can actually go off-road, not really worry too much about ever getting stuck off-road. You know, I'm sure it'll happen eventually, but even if it were to happen, that's what we got the winch for and all these other modifications, where I honestly do feel very comfortable going off-roading with this Jeep by myself. Whereas if I didn't have a winch and all the recovery gear that I have, I would probably not, you know, be going off-road and taking the chance of getting stranded somewhere alone. But in all honesty, guys, if you have friends that own Jeeps, and if you don't have friends that own Jeeps, go on the Wrangler forums, get yourself some buddies that own Jeeps, because it's always a lot more fun to go with other Jeep people. Not just getting stuck is an issue, but if your Jeep breaks down, you know, you're gonna need somebody else also, and you help each other out. You can spot each other going over obstacles, that kind of thing, and it just makes the experience of owning a Jeep so much better. I'm not gonna be one of those Jeep guys that doesn't care about their Jeep and doesn't care about the appearance of the Jeep, what it looks like, and whether, you know, the doors are dented in and that kind of thing. I'll always do my best to try and keep the Jeep in tip-top shape as long as I possibly can. We are about 2 minutes away from Goonie's garage in Holbrook, New York, so let's go and let's leave the Jeep with them, and I'll update you guys on what the heck is going on with the Jeep.
There you go. That's how you do it. Oh, you hung up on a tree stump. You got your passenger. Low passenger. Hard passenger. Hard passenger. There you go. There you go. further passenger. Back up a little bit. Back up driver, back up driver. Put driver back up. Put driver back up. Put driver back up. All right, stop. Passenger hard. Over. There you go. Now you good, go. Go.
Okay guys, we got the crazy guy in the white Jeep. Let's see what he does.